G'day, here's a bit larger parcel of medium grade knobby material. You can see the rule in the middle. I won't move the rule, I'll zoom down so you can get an idea of just how much material here is here. There's over 1600 grams. Okay, I've zoomed in a fair bit as you can see. The rule's in millimetres. I'll just go up and away from the bottom of the screen. Come over, back down, bring this back close to the end of the rule, down past the rule. Okay, that's over the back over the right hand side. You can see the rule just poking out. I'll turn the video around and so there'll be a short pause. Okay, there's the rule again. Start at the bottom. What was the bottom before? Go up. Some couple of larger crystal pieces of knobby material there. Honey colour, might even facet. Okay, I'll just bring the camera down. Okay, I brought the camera down just to give you an idea of some of the colour. You can see the colour there. There's that honey knobby again. Anyway, that gives you an idea of what you're going to get for your money. Hope you enjoyed it. Cheers.